What do you think, Cruella? You want to go play on the coast? And something inside of me just needs to go. I can't get stagnant. I need to go see the ocean. I need to go see the forest. I need to go ride. So that's exactly what I'm going to go do today. Let's get out of town and go hit the coast. Go see some shoreline. See what the waves look like. Little mental reboot. Ooh, wee, did I pick a pretty day to go play.
Yeah, so none of these really translate well to a virgin drink.
None of them do.
No, not really. I mean, you do.
Sort of a good one. So, back north to San Francisco on Highway 1. Shut down. I guess. I'm trying to get back into Half Moon Bay, so my Honda, I guess? I'm not sure. Well, that detour on Highway 1 has set me back pretty far. So it looks like there's going to be no tiki tonight. It's starting to get cold, boy.